Dr. Rakesh Mishra, virologist, is with us on the program. Dr. Mishra, good evening. The important question is now, while the world is actually talking about the booster dose, here in India, we are struggling to get people to come out to get their second jab. There is a certain hesitancy, either because people are looking at the decline in cases or they have not understood the importance of the second dose, Dr. Mishra. Can you help us understand why the vaccination would be incomplete or ineffective, if you may, if the second dose is not taken?
See, the vaccines are approved after a lot of study on trials and data accumulated based on that, and that is why it is decided whether the vaccine will have 1 dose or 2 dose or 3 dose and so on. So if a vaccine is recommended for 2 doses, taking both the doses is absolutely essential. Not taking the second dose is something like not completing the antibiotic course, which means you are giving the pathogen a chance to get trained for getting the vaccine breakthrough variants easier. So then we are actually promoting the virus in being more dangerous in future. And even if the cases are dropping, it's a good advantage because virus is now weak, so let's attack it even more strongly so that it goes out of the scene. So therefore, taking second dose is absolutely really necessary for people who have taken first dose.
Yes.
We are so lucky that we have good vaccines now available, and for us, not taking is really not very wise because then that means the virus more chance to play around and potentially come with more dangerous versions in future. So therefore, second dose is just no question that people should be even considering taking or not taking. That is must. We must take. This is very important. Irresponsible if we don't take the second dose.
It is highly irresponsible if you don't take the second dose. Dr.
Yes.
Rakesh Mishra, virologist, spelling it out loud and clear. So, yes, it would also be some sort of a waste, you think, because there are a lot of concerns coming on if you do not follow the stipulated date and if you delay it beyond a certain time, could it mean that you have to go back to the step 1 and take the first dose again, Dr. Mishra?
No, not necessarily. Generally, there is a range in that, as you have seen, for 4 weeks to 7 weeks to 8 weeks, and this only efficacy changes little bit and most optimum time is decided. But generally, after the first dose, after 3-4 weeks, then within certain period of time, you should not delay by 6 months, 1 year and all. But some delays are okay. It's not that strict that you have to go to beginning and start with both doses because we are a very large country. We shouldn't worry in boosters immediately, and because that will create shortage immediately. So we should not go to first dose. We even if it's a little bit delayed, doesn't matter. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it still is all right, and people should take the second dose and consider that as complete.
Yes, Dr. Rakesh Mishra, I appreciate your joining us. So minor delays, not a problem. A couple of weeks here and there is all right, but it should not extend to months. That's the advice coming from top virologist here on the program. Now we move on with other updates coming in.